continues. It's getting worse and worse. Oh, yes. What's doing to those trees? Powerful windstorm. So powerful. It's moving so many trees around. The winds are extremely strong. No, it's not a tornado or hurricane. It sure do feel like it. Moving all kind of stuff around. All right. There you go. And yeah, there you go. So, windstorm right now. Not necessarily rain, but windstorm. Thanks for watching. I'm not Fan Man. The wind is blowing so hard, it's blowing my pants around. Goodness. Feel like cutting through. It's cutting up. It's really cutting up. Goodness, I'm trying to end the video, but it's so hard. Not the Fan Man and out. Looks like we're dealing with a hurricane or either a tornado. The wind's as high as all the way. Look at that. Look at that, baby. Yeah, baby, look at that. Oh, yeah. I don't know if it's a year 20, year 2, year, whatever it is. I mean, or if even a hurricane. The wind is strong as crap. Blowing all kind of stuff around. Goodness, good Lord, Jesus. Just blowing all kind of stuff around. Powerful winds up to almost 100 miles an hour. Alright, well, there you go. It's just a windstorm. It's not a tornado or hurricane, but it's close to it. Alright, thanks for watching. Anyways, I'm not the Fan Man out.